All right, so we played this game in Tampa. See how many floor plans you can guess correctly. I'm with Grant from General RV. I'm with Trish.
Forest River.
I'm fairly new, so let's see how much I know.
The FL stand for.
Front living.
Normally front living.
FL.
Living.
Look at that. The FBRK stand for.
Front bath, rear kitchen.
Front bunk, rear kitchen.
Is there a bunk on that floor plan there?
No, front bed.
Front bunk, rear kitchen, front bed.
Front bedroom, rear kitchen. Nailed it. All right.
Said every other option there could possibly.
320 MKS.
Middle kitchen.
And the S?
Slide.
Ding, ding, ding. Mid kitchen slide.
Mid kitchen. Slide.
Mid kitchen, slide.
Byway CL.
Center living.
CL. I don't know.
Byway CL.
That's a good one. I don't know that one.
RLW.
Rear living, rear lounge.
Rear living. I don't know what the W is.
Rear living wardrobe.
He nailed it. QBS is?
Quad bunk suite.
Queen bunks.
It is the quad bunk suite.
Quad bunk. Dang it.
Great job. I think you beat half of Tampa.